they are using more than 200 plus industrial panel pieces. And again, as we said, we offer long life cycle products. This product we are supplying right from 2010, and we are still continuing. Another 2 years we can continue this product. So advantage of long life cycle, the long life cycle product is basically you don't have to change your embedded software image, you don't have to change your application, you don't have to change your interfaces. So your maintenance cost goes down, your repairs inventory goes down. Another interesting application, we have JNPT port. JNPT port has got 3 different ports. One port is handled by Dubai port. They had around total 40 cranes. These cranes, basically their job is to move this cargo from ship, put it on outside, and from here again they have another crane called RTG, rubber tank crane. So both the cranes has got control room, something like this, which is located here. This control room has got a PC connected to Siemens PLCs and a lot of other hardware. Now these systems they are installed in 1998. So Siemens PCs they started crashing in 2008-2009. They came to us. We have completely changed their design. We have provided completely new technology, new products. Very small size. Siemens was having like bigger industrial PCs, industrial monitors, keyboards, and a lot of other things. It was like a 19-inch rack. Almost it was occupying 17-18 UO space. So we have compacted that solution, and we have provided, and systems are working on Windows 9. So it's a legacy system, what we have provided is solution. Out of 27, we have got 16 systems working on 98, and 11 are working on Windows 8. Windows XP is going to be stopped by Microsoft. But if you buy hardware from us, and if you use, we can still provide licenses. Those systems can still work for another 5 to 10 years. That's what I think I can guarantee. We have total more than 75,000 products installed across India, and since it is industrial computers, they are working continuously 24/7. We have some installation in Middle East and Europe. In Middle East, basically immersion processors supply some panel PCs for process management systems. So what I thought, like, since we focus more on industrial technologies, let's get into some technologies that we use in panel PCs. So as I explained, our focus is long life cycle support, and we provide low power consumption and highly reliable product. Now here Intel comes into picture. Intel has formed an embedded division which provides long life cycle support for Intel processors and chipsets. Now we design and develop those products based on this specified processors only. So this is the product line. We have got right from SCADA view, that is Atom, Portfolio, Bedrel, Sandwich, Ironfish, and Haswell. Haswell is the latest addition to our panel PCs. We have a panel PC based on each and every processor. We can provide you industrial grade motherboard for your application based on each and every processor. We can provide you 0 to 70 degree. We can provide you white temperature -40 to 85 degree. Another technology we can use is optical bonding. Optical bonding is basically gluing a protective glass with the LCD. So something like this. So there is a gap between LCD and protective front shield, which can be filled with silicon, and that avoids 2 major problems. When you use displays for outside environment, or in an environment something like ice cream making machine, ice cream making factory, where temperature is below 0 and there is a lot of humidity, fog inside. So if you have a gap, water droplets will form inside the system due to condensation. Now this can be avoided by filling the gap with silicon, and that requires a very special machinery that we have with our OEM suppliers. This is the difference between normal and optical one-ray LCD. All our panel PCs are based on fanless technology. All we had some old Pentium 4 based panel PCs which were based on fan and internal power supply. Now we have changed complete design, we have revamped complete product line. Now we have got everything based on fanless and DC power. You can see the big heat sink here. It's so big heat sink. It can take care of thermals for any processor right from i3, i5, i7, and for atoms we have got smaller heat sinks. So fanless design means no noise, no external debris, and no moving parts. So in no moving parts, basically we use instead of hard disk, we use InnoDisk flash, because that is the only part which can have moving component. So we replace hard disk with SSD. We have next presentation lined up with InnoDisk. They will explain more on why SSDs are important, how they are different, what technologies they are going to use in that. So this is again another specialty. We work only on industrial. Even if you give me 1,000 or 10,000 pieces laptop order, I am not going to take it. We will work only on industrial. You give us order for 1 piece or 10 piece, we are happy with that. So our core competency is mainly SSDs, RAM, industrial grade motherboard, displays, panel PCs, and power supply. Basically, we can supply you a complete system. Okay. But if you want to develop a system as per your requirement, then we can supply you components also. And we can share a lot of knowledge based on how to design and develop the system. We got fully flat front bezel design. Something like latest smartphones, iPhone is completely flat. Okay. So we have changed our design for panel PCs to complete flat. So this has got advantages in pharma applications, or wherever there is some water content is there, or oil content is there, you can use this technology. You can simply wipe out those oil content or humid water droplets by pump. So flat panel design means no step, no gap, and very slim design. All our computer monitors, what we see on our desktop or laptop, there is a stage, and that stage gives you problem while handling testing, as well as a lot of dust gets accumulated on that part. So it can be avoided by using flat front technology. We come out with new products, that is EN50155 based railway box PCs. Basically, there is a requirement from railway that on rolling stock products, that means moving trains or engines, if they wanted a PC, they have specified certain standard, and the standard is EN50155. So it is basically something related to vibration, wide DC input, variation is around almost 30 to 40%, EMI, then operating temperature, isolation in DC input, wide DC input as well as isolation on that. So if there is any noise is generated to railway motors or something is induced by that, it should not avoid the functioning of the computer. The latest addition to our product line is marine grade industrial panel PCs and industrial displays. We can provide industrial panel PCs based on our technologies like Atom to 4 i3, i5, i7. What are the functions we actually look at marine grade computers? Marine grade computers basically they require a wide dimming knob, because ship is going to move for continuously for say 10 days or 15 days. Nobody is going to watch that panel continuously. So they have 10 to 15 panels in control room. So what they do, they just use the knob and dim those LCDs. Whenever they require, they just see this, change the knob and see the displays. and these are high brightness displays, something like sunlight readable. Then we got aluminum anodized flush mount front panel, IP65 front. Housing is powder coated with anti-salt and anti-corrosion treatment. Protected glass is there, isolated 9 to 33, something like EN50155, similar to that. This feature is there in the marine grade also. Anti-shock, anti-vibration, that is very important. Wide viewing angle, that is also important because people are not going to stay next to computer and they don't watch. They're just going to stay here and maybe they will watch the computer from longer distance. We can provide all certified computers as well as we can provide compatible. Certified, each certification costs somewhere around like $50,000 US. So if there is a constraint on pricing, we can use compatible products. This compatible products can 100% pass any test. So let us go to industrial grade panel PCs. We have been in this market for almost 10 years. So these new products, whatever products I am going to show you, these are all new products. They will be launched in quarter 2. EPC 3595 series is basically a stainless steel computer based on Haswell 4i3 Fi i7 platform. We got M12 connectors from backside also that makes it IP65 from all the sides. All 6 sides are waterproof. We provide multi-touch technology with this. The beauty of this product is basically there are only 2 components. One is display and one is motherboard. Motherboard has got everything built in on motherboard itself. We got power supply on motherboard. We have got STM controller on motherboard. We have got RAM soldered on motherboard. So there is only one part we have to add is SSD because size is not defined in that case. So we use Inodis SSD. We do test this product with IP69K. So this test is very important for applications something like ice cream manufacture or in dairy application or large bottling plants, something like Coca-Cola or Pepsi or 5-star kitchens. So here product is kept on a turntable. Turntable moves at 12 seconds per cycle and water, high temperature, high pressure water is forced on the computer from 0 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So there has to be no ingress of water inside the. That's the IP69K certified product. We use, as I said, we use multi-touch technology. We can very effectively use multi-touch technology for this application. Like we can use stop and confirm. Generally, we have a stop button. By accident, if somebody pushes that stop button, your entire process will halt. But you can use multi-touch technology. You can have 2 buttons. One is stop and one is confirm. So use stop and then confirm, then only your process will stop. By accident, if somebody pushes stop, it will not stop. As I said, we have wide DC input, like right from 9 to 36 volt. This DC can operate. So you can operate it on 12 volt, you can operate it on battery, car battery or truck battery, you can operate it 24 volts, you can operate it with 19 volts. So whatever power source available with you, you can use that. We can provide IP65 power adapters, we can provide Bluetooth and Wi-Fi with IP69K and IP65 certification. This is something inside on motherboard. Like any computer motherboard you can see this type of components on the motherboard. These are capacitors with plastic enclosure. There is a chance that over a period of time they get either degrade or they can burst. What we do is we use solid state capacitors. We don't use standard battery which is coming on the motherboard, doesn't have longer life. We use 5 years long life battery. Then On power supply, there are linear regulators. Linear regulators are for bigger PCBs. We have changed that to switching regulators with a very small space taken on motherboard. Applications for this, it can be storage, food, chemical industry, as I said, Coca-Cola, Pepsi, bottling plants, kitchens, information kiosks, medical applications. Medical application is again very important because there you cannot have a fanless system with fan. If you have a system with fan, it is going to generate noise. It is going to do some cross infection also because fan is going to either suck air or push air outside. So there are chances of some infection. So that is avoided. Stainless steel, you can wipe it out with wet cloth. The next product line which will be coming again, this will be in quarter 2. It is ARC HMI 900. Now we have got ARC HMI 900, we have got ARC HMI 800, we have got ARC HMI 700. ARC HMI 700 is a current product line. Here some customers here they are using it. Now same product line we have extended to different Intel embedded CPUs. ARC HMI 700 is based on N280 ZRU platform. 800 is a Medrel and 900 is on Haswell. Product remains same. Structure remains same. Only thing motherboard, processor, HN. So we got again IP65 design, touch screen, 9 to 34 DC power. They can operate on 0 to 50 degrees fanless, and if you want, we can customize it for operation in wide temperature. Something like -10 to 60, -20 to 60, -40 to 80. That can be customized. So Haswell platform has basically it has increased the performance for real-time applications. Power consumption is gone down.